Let's start making glow effect. Bring any interior background and put exposure with -8 value and clip with background. Bring main object in center and adjust it, and convert it to Smart Object. For glow effect, take new layer and make it whole black and put blend mode to screen. Take new layer and clip with black layer. Now take gradient map and make for shades, dot yellow gradient and clip with other two layers. Make copy of all three layers and dot put above the main object. In first highlight layers, click on empty layer. Adjust the opacity and flow of brush and take white foreground color. Make brush of bigger size and start brushing behind the man. Make brush of smaller size and start brushing to give more glow. Go to Copy Highlight Layer, click on Empty Layer. Make brush opacity low and start brushing on man. Adjust glow with smudge tool. Take new layer and make brush opacity full with smaller size brush and start brushing on corners. Take smudge tool and start adjusting up the glow. Go to first highlight and take brush, bigger size, and brush it on corners. We will complete thumbnail in next part. Thank you for watching.